Hi, welcome to your journey to becoming Agentic artificial intelligence developer. My name is Adekola Akim. I'm going to be your tutor throughout this course. So this is not just a course, it's a journey of becoming a beginner Agentic artificial intelligence builder to advance. And guess what? Without writing a line of code. But don't worry, I won't call it no code. We'll better call it low code because what we are really interacting with is GUI, graphical user interface, but still yet we are still running code in the background, right? And whatever code we are still interacting with is going to be drag and drop. So let's look at what you're going to learn throughout this course. At first, you will understand the introduction to agentic AI and the evolution of agentic AI from inception until now. Then you'll be learning the introduction to no code or low code agentic AI building tools like relevance, make, anything, and so on. Then moving on, you'll be building your first functional agentic artificial intelligence in relevance. Then you'll be learning your first functional agentic artificial intelligence using N8N. Then we'll be moving on to start learning the advanced. There we'll be looking at how to use webhook and API, how to make an API request using HTTP node, then how to interact with some software that doesn't have a pre-built nodes on N8N. Whereas having said this, we'll be leveraging more on N8N, but don't worry, we are not going to forget about relevance here because of its less technicalities and so on. Moving on, you will be learning and understanding how agentic AI think, how they reason, how they call tools, and how they interact with the external world, right? Then we'll be moving on to designing our first voice AI support using VAPI. Then we are going to introduce you to our unpicked 15 AI agentic workflow built in N8N that can solve every day-to-day operational problem across all business industries. Then also, we'll be moving on to test and deploy our agentic AI workflow built in relevance AI. They will also be testing and deploying our AI agent built in N8N. So we'll also be solving every necessary website technicalities, basically. Then moving on, we'll be looking at monetizing your skills and turning this big knowledge into money. So this is a journey to becoming an agentic artificial intelligence builder, one of the first few in Nigeria. So I want you to follow up in this journey from beginning till the end. So thank you.